All right, okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to use the Android Studio software. Okay, and then let me minimize the simulator. Okay, the emulator or simulator, whatever you want to call it, and let me click the Start New Activity. And the template we will be using will be the master detail flow template. Okay, and again you can call it list detail. Okay, if you want to call it. Okay, let me call it. Then let me click the next button, and then let me call this one is let me see my master detail demo. Okay, yeah, and click finish. And again, you will be surprised that the software create many files, Java files. You can see that under Java, there are maybe I would say 1, 2, 3, 4 Java files, and then for the layouts, you can see that wow, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Java layout file. Okay, yeah. So there are really a lot of files been created. Okay, and then again, we will kind of design this one based on the tablet first. Okay, not tablet first. I mean just based on the tablet. The software will automatically make the adjustment for us if the screen size is smaller. So let me select the maybe one of the layout files such as activity underscore item underscore list. And then you can see that here will be the basic layout. And then let me switch to the design mode. And then let me change to the landscape orientation. Okay, this will be what it look like. Okay, so it has list of items here. Okay, and then on the right hand side, or right hand, the section on the right, you will display the detailed information regarding each item being selected. And then again, I would encourage you to change the preview simulator to maybe a tablet. Let me pick this 10.1. Yeah, all right. And then again, the emulator. The emulator you got to use data to run the app. You can select a tablet. If you do not have it, it's okay. Just go to the tools and select AVD, Android Virtual Device Manager, and then look for the tablet emulator. If we do not have it there, you do not have it there, then click the create virtual device, and then select tablet, tablet, and then again, tablet here, and then you can pick this 10.1 inch. This is what I use. Okay, and since I have it already, so I'm not going to create another one. All right, let me close this one. Okay, and then can we run it now? Yes. So let me run the app right now. Okay, let me minimize, not minimize, let me normalize the screen size, and then let me run the app to see what it might look like. All right, it's loading. Okay, let's wait for a sec. And you can see that on the left-hand side, actually, it has about 25 items. 25 items. And if you select any of them, then the right-hand side will be the detail section. Will give you some information about the item you selected. So actually, this one, when I select 17, the detail information display 7 output 7 output statements related to these more details information here. All right. But then we want to keep things simple. So I really don't want this kind of email icon to be displayed. Can you click on it? Yes, you can click on it. And then actually is a so-called floating action button. Floating action button. But again, I want to keep it simple. So I really don't want this button at all. So let's remove this button first. So let me show you how to remove it. So to remove it, you can go to activity, the layout file, activity underscore item underscore list. So this will be the layout file. Layout file, and then switch to the text mode. Switch to the text mode. So let me give myself more room. And then scroll it down. Scroll it down until almost close to the end of the file, and then you can see that there's an element called floating action button. So I'm going to comment that one out. And again, I want to keep things simple. So to make a block comments in XML file, you start with the less than sign, exclamation mark, dash dash, two consecutive dash dash, and then move to the end of the element you want to block. Then type in dash dash, and then greater than sign. There you go. So you can see that this email, actually this email button over the lower right corner is gone. So this is one place. You need excuse me, you need to set it up, and then another place will be the activity item underscore underscore details.xml file. So let me open that one up. And you can see over this preview screen that the kind of the email button is there. So I want that one to be disappeared. So again, switch to the text mode. And then move to the berry button. Move to the berry button. And then again, we're going to comment that one out. So less than sign dash exclamation mark dash dash, and then go to the end of the element, dash dash, sorry, yes, dash dash, and then greater than sign. There you go. So you can see that the email sign is gone. Email sign or button is gone. But then we also need to comment it out the code. Otherwise, let's say if I run the app right now, you're going to give me some error message. So let me run it quickly. And then you can see that the compiler complained. And then the compiler said that, hey, yes, let me see whether I can increase the size. Yes, the compiler say, hey, in this file, item detail activity.java at line 33, something is wrong, and also 49, something is wrong as well in another file. So let's get to this one. So there's a hyperlink over here. So we just need to click that one. So let's go to the item detail activity.java file. All right, so actually this is the source code, source code associated with the floating action button. So again, let's just comment it out. So I assume that you know that in Java language, to have the block comments, then you just need to use the slash sign and followed by the asterisk. So again, let me increase the font size. And then after the last statement you want to block, then put an asterisk and /. So we take care of this one, and then we also have to take care of another one. So this will be inside the this error is inside the item list activity.java file. Okay, edit line 49. So let me click on it. And then again, okay, there's another one, okay, associated with the floating action button. Okay, so okay, let's comment it out. Okay, and again, let's comment it out. Okay, so this will be the statement. Okay, all right. Okay, so now, okay, again, okay, let's quickly run the app, okay, to see how it goes. Okay, hopefully, okay, okay, not hopefully. I mean, I'm pretty sure that the email okay, button will be gone. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, and let me run the app right now. And then there you go. Okay, so the email okay, button is gone. Okay, email button is gone. Okay, so pretty good. Okay, even when we switch to the portrait mode, okay, okay, again, okay, the email button is gone. Okay, so far so good. Okay, all right. Okay, let me stop the video.